Really annoying feature about Xcode that it means basically you would try to modify header files to try and accommodate what you're trying to do, and it changes the way things are set up that supposedly are correct. Let's say I'm going along and do max here. I want to get the max out of this value here, so I don't want it to go over 10. So I do like over 10. So I'm doing like a max out of that, right? That's the max. So the next thing it comes along and says it's called to undeclared function max. ISO C99. You can't use this unless it's basically included in your source file, right? So what that means is you should put that in there. But if you think, oh, I know, I'll be lazy and press this red button, it looks like you can just fix it. You know, it's like one of those things you get on the internet where you download, you know, some sort of problem you have and you download some executable and it says, oh, there's this problem, press this button and I'll sort it out. That's exactly what this is. Let me demonstrate. Fix. Right? So now the error's gone away. When I try to run it, you're going to see there's a problem here. This document, this Xcode has tried to modify math.h and it is now complaining that the system has reported it's not allowed to do that, which is correct because it shouldn't be trying to do that. You know, math.h is none of its business. So this error and it keeps on bugging you because it's tried to behind your back modify it. That's what fix means. It's tried behind your back modify it. So it's tried to hack it so that it works. You don't want it to do that. All you want it to do is just not be lazy and put, you know, hash include, you know, math.h like what it needs. But you've gone and pressed this fix thing and right. So yeah, I was able to, let me just demonstrate. Yeah, it's again, you see, I didn't quit. It's trying to, you see, I'm stuck with it because it's trying to hold on to math.h and change it, so I'm stuck with it. This is the problem I'm having with it. So I want to just make it let go of it, but it don't want to. It's just trying to harass me. So I want to try and get this thing, let me see, close the project. And close Xcode as well this time. Maybe this will fix it. So maybe now, yeah, it's okay. It doesn't. You see how it's messed me up? It's not letting me go. You see how bad that is? So now it's insisting that it's going to try and I don't even know where math is. Where is it open there? It's not put it in my list of files or anything. You know, where is it? So I can just close it and make it not modified because I don't want math.h. That's a bug. I think that's a bug because really you should be able to, if you now exit that project, close that project. Now you should now be able to, because you close the project, you don't have anything to do with it. So if you quit, it shouldn't be bugging you about that anymore. But it does bug you and it doesn't let you close Xcode. You see? So the only way I can actually try to fix it, and I'm not even sure it's going to work. It's just to try and do like a force quit thing. It should be something like that. A force quit. Right now, hopefully, when it restarts, it will recover. That's what I'm hoping. Let's hope it does work now. So I should now be able to quit Xcode and it shouldn't be bugging it. Right, I think it's reset that. But you see what I had to go, the extent to which I had to get around its fiddling. You know, by changing things. Now I can close it and it will let you, because I had to basically force it to let go. I had to start force it to reset. That's clearly a bug, isn't it? I mean, it shouldn't keep holding things, mess around things behind your back for a start. That's a bit dodgy. And then when all I had to do, in fact, was just literally, this is how simple it was. All I would have to do to fix that problem with the max is this. I have to do, right, so I'm having it here. Give me that. All I have to do is something like this. Math.h. It's that simple. and then the error disappears. Yeah, now that will not. Call to undeclared function. Why is implicit function declaration? So what I might need to do is go to the project, right, and add. I think this is probably what it's saying. Give your identity. It should have some with libraries. I don't know. Some of some libraries. I suppose you need to go in here, and then I probably need to do something like this. Live math. I'm pretty sure this is it. Live math. That's it. I think that's it. It wasn't that. It's quite similar, but it's not really that. No, I think that's it. Have I got it? Why didn't that work? Right, I've got it in there now. Let's see what happens, because I think that C99 implicit object thing doesn't actually understand it. But I don't understand that. It's saying basically that this thing isn't, it's not declared right, so I should be able to build it now. It's still failing. Let's try another one. I think it's pretty nice with this. There's another. All the masses you can put. That's all the masses you can put. Okay. I'm not able to resolve the association with implicit operation and blah blah root invalid C99. What is going on? So it's got that. Right, so it says basically I need to add the function declarations here. Should do with the actual declarations. So this would need like something like let me just see if I can get this definition here. Transfer definition. I don't know the definition. That's why that didn't work. What that means. There is no definition. Did I do import or do I do? Oh, that might be why. Simply I did. I think maybe this might be it. That's it. Yeah, now it's got it. Simple enough. There was because I was thinking it's C. This is objective. Objective. See, now it should hopefully fix this. No. Still doesn't do it. Quite quickly, isn't it? Right. Still not found it. What I need to do is put foundation. and that would include it. Yeah, it hasn't got foundation. Maybe it's because of that. Try a bit of foundation in there. Undeclared function box. Should have been releasing. What did function I think I tried that though. Yeah, it's definitely redone it as well because I saw it. The only thing I can think of is right, here's the mess. This is where I found it's actually in the Xcode application. Open variables so that and that should therefore give marks, maybe it has to be fmax. Because there's no max, I mean max. So maybe it has to be fmax. So look. That's what I'm doing, I'm putting the wrong function in. So maybe it would have to be fmax. Oh, that's cool. Because it looks like that was the problem. I thought it was max, and in fact there was every indication of this. They are on ours 9. Should be fmax, isn't it? Well, live and learn. What was happening is I was saying use that, which is, it thinks that should be my thing, that thing. I should have defined it somewhat, because it thinks that's mine, so. Me being wrong, me being not really a C, truly a programmer, not really very good, trying to learn. I thought it was max because I thought it was something else, but probably in some other language that I learned a long while ago, maybe, but this is the one. And the moral of the story is, if, if you get, might as well put my face. If you get something that says implicit functions declarations not allowed, right? Like this. You see, it just doesn't understand what on earth you're talking about, and it might have been, the moral of the story is it might have been you're the one who's. But what I don't understand is why when I do fix it, it tries to suggest, well, why does it say it seems to understand that it should be maths then? Because that kind of throws you like, oh, it doesn't know what I'm talking about because that's the and then it will try to. It's confusing. I mean, to be fair, it's confusing.